Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another video. Now you dolls are so used to me bringing you sexy try on hauls. I figured I might as well switch it up, so I partnered with Scentbird to bring you 5 sexy and seductive perfumes for women. If you are interested in my picks and what it is I'm talking about, stay tuned. Again, I partnered with Scentbird to bring you this video, y'all. I was so excited to do this video because it's not just about looking good and looking sexy, but you also have to smell sexy. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You've had some sexy, gorgeous man walk by you, or a beautiful behind girl, and they leave this trail that just smells delicious. Now, if you know what I'm talking about, give me a thumbs up. If you are that girl, give me a thumbs up, because trust and believe. As you can see from my cologne and perfume collection, I adore different scents. Scentbird is a monthly fragrance subscription where you get these cute little scents, and they actually are name brand perfumes. I'm talking about Tom Ford, Versace, you can get Burberry. I love these things. So y'all, I really wanted to come and share with you because as you can see, I pulled out some of my favorites. This is Burberry London, my daily wear, and I love it so much. So naturally, I wanted to give more of the Burberry smells a try. So one thing I adore with this website is that they give you a little over a month's worth supply of perfume so that you can really try it out in different circumstances and give a chance to the smell to see if you really like it. So long story short, y'all, they come in these cute little colorful Scentbird, I don't know, these are like little cubbies, because this right here you take out. So this is the perfume. This is $14.95 a month, where you can pick from over 500 different smells and basically give it a try. I have all these different samples, and look at this. This is sample size perfume. Look at this. It's like little over a month's worth of perfume. And I really adore the fact that I can just throw them inside of here, and you don't have to worry about it spilling in your pocketbook or your purse, because you literally just slide it down. And when you slide it down, it closes. So I did that really fast. Let me do it again for you. Up, ready to spray, closed and safe for another day. So let me just tell you dolls really quick about the ones that I picked out as far as smelling sexy, and my top 5 picks for complementing your scent with your look. Again, you just slide it up, you spray. Let's see. Ooh, this smells so good. This smells sweet. This smells very sweet. This is Juicy Couture Viva la Juicy. So I've always seen this in the stores. I've never tried it personally. I can't wait to wear this. It smells really fresh and light. It smells very girly. So this again is Juicy Couture. I have it in a cute little pink reusable Scentbird tin. And when this is empty, you can just toss it out, and then you can always put your new replacement one in. Now this one in particular is Gucci Guilty. Shout out to my homegirl Shamara. She definitely always wears this, and I was just like, you know what? It smells really good on her, but we all know our body chemistry is different. The way our oils are different. So I said, before I purchase a whole entire bottle, let me get it for myself and see how it works. So just to give you an idea what this smells like, I'm gonna spray it and describe it. Now that smells also really good. I can't really put my finger on it, but it reminds me of like an adult, like a sexy baby powder. Like, it smells really fresh. Y'all, that is sexy. I'm getting so excited just thinking about how I'm gonna wear these different things out and about, and how I can just imagine strutting my stuff and people looking behind and thinking, ooh, she look good, but dang, she smell good. Like, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I love perfumes. Now, I just love this, y'all. This is my favorite color, hence the background and everything. I love purple, as you can see, my amethyst stone. But anyways, that's another perk. You can definitely decide what colors that you want. They have different options available, and it's just something cute and girly, you know? We accessorize our nails, we accessorize our makeup. Why not accessorize your perfume? That's just the diva doll way. So y'all, be sure to get these cute little things. But this one is the Tom Ford Black Orchid, and I've heard a lot of good things about Tom Ford. I've never actually used their perfume, so I tried it before in a department store and I really did adore it. Again, I'm all about trying it out with my natural body chemistry, so I wanted to pick this up, and this is the Tom Ford smell. So let me spray it and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, well, that one is okay. So this is an example. This one I sprayed in the mall, it smelled really good, but you had all the other smells kind of lingering and overpowering one another. So this one kind of smells more like a cologne. So this one's more spicy, like more woodsy smelling, and I think this will work well mixed. So I'm all about mixing different smells. In fact, I love mixing my different perfumes. I usually wear at least 2. This is one I would definitely pair with something a little bit more floral. So this is more woodsy, kind of spicy. I would not wear it by itself. This can almost even pass for your boyfriend or your stud. Hey, boo. But yeah, this one definitely. So again, this is the Tom Ford Black Orchid. It's like a sweet, spicy / woodsy smell. And I know you guys see all these different colors. I just really wanted to show you what was available. But the colors have nothing to do with, you know, which perfume or which cologne comes in which tube. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this Dolce & Gabbana. Now that is very light, y'all. Very, very light. It smells really clean, very fresh. I can see this as being a daily wear. I would honestly wear this like maybe with my Burberry London, because again, I like wearing 2 for 1. It smells really light, really fresh. It's not strong, it's not overpowering, so I would recommend this. It even smells like it can be a cologne. So a lot of these are really unisex, even if they're in different categories. The only one I thought was really, really girly and really florally was this Juicy Couture and that Versace. So now this one in particular, y'all, this one I've been using. This is the Versace, and it smells so light and floral. That is my favorite. I really do recommend Scentbird because it's an inexpensive way to try new things. And y'all, I was on the site recently and I noticed they even have home fragrances. Now me, I am redoing my house, in particular my bedroom and my bathroom, so be sure to stay tuned for that if you're not subscribed already to my vlog channel, because I'm probably going to share that. But I say all that just to say they have home fragrances for candles, y'all. So if you're not feeling anything for that month that you see that you want to try for the perfume section, you can actually get the candle instead, or try their very own bath and body products. So it's like a one-stop shop to smell sexy and to smell good. So I strongly recommend for you to give it a try if you have not already. In fact, I'll put the links down below. I'll see if I can find any coupon codes. That is it. I hope you dolls enjoyed these 5 sexy and seductive smells for women. And remember, if you do enjoy this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, be sure to do that. And I will also put the links to all my channels down below. If you don't follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, be sure that you do. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. I just really appreciate all of you all watching this video. So again, I want to thank you so much for your support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.